Hi everybody, this is Wendy at The Broken Needle, and today is part 3 of our series on quilting with rulers. If you've missed any of the other parts, the links are in the description below. Make sure you stick around till the end of the video so that you can find out how you can win a ruler foot and template set from Westalee by So Steady. Today I'm going to show you the Westalee Simple Circle 2-inch template. First, I'm going to put some stable tape on the back of the template to prevent sliding. I have used the sew line marking tool to mark a center point. We're going to start in the center and go all the way around and stop. Then we're going to use the mark on the marking tool and align with the mark that we made on the fabric. We're going to sew all the way around and stop right in the center again. We'll keep going around, aligning and moving the template. An optional but very handy tool is the free motion glider. The slick surface helps move your fabric freely. First, I bring up the bobbin thread. The template has a key on the side that you can remove, making it easier to get the template around the foot, and you just snap the key back in place and we're ready to go. Starting in the center and making sure my template is aligned with the marks we made earlier, I start to sew around, pressing the template up against the foot, going around and stopping right back in the center. I move the template to the left, aligning the marks again. Starting in the center again, putting slight pressure on the template up against the foot, traveling back around again, we're going to stop in the center for a second time. Here we go again, starting in the center, going around, making sure that my template is lined up with the marks that we made in the beginning. Back to the center once again. Okay, you're pros at this now, right? Starting in the center, going around. I think I'm going to say this in my sleep a few times. And stop in the center. Are you getting dizzy yet? You can make your own design. Make as many or as little circles as you want to.